Yeah. Yeah, put it in gear. Okay. Wait, man, I'm not so far away. Yeah. Get going first. It's not spinning. Okay, a little slower. Slower. Okay. What happened, Jones? Oh, you couldn't see? Let me see. They look good now, though. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen, remember, you gotta, if it gets swirly, who's the only person that can turn your throttle off? You, okay? Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna go nice and easy. We're gonna do a cool video.
With your camera on.
Yep. So we're not gonna show off, we're not gonna get crazy. I'm just gonna follow you, and just like last time, throttle control, bird, 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 okay? We're gonna slow down for corners, nice and easy, okay? This is why we practice. We practice learning how to do it right. It's okay. That's okay. That's where it should be, actually. So listen, we practice doing it right and easy, or we don't crash. Then when we race, we're always in control, right? Right, dude? Okay, put it in neutral. Okay, nice and easy. Let's finish good, no crashes. I'm gonna follow you. Remember, I'm not gonna be next to you to catch you, okay? I'm gonna be on the bicycle following you and videoing you so we can look at it later. So nice and easy, okay? We'll call that rule number 1, in control. So let's practice gas off. Gas off. Gas on. Gas off. On. Off. Okay. Here we go. We in neutral? Only if you put it in gear. Come on. I'll go with you. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Easy. Good job. That's controlled. Okay, try stand up. Good. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Good control. Good job. Easy. Easy. Okay, easy. Slow down a little bit. Slower. Slower. Okay, go ahead. You're doing awesome, dude. Great job. Say woo! I know, here's your corner. Look up ahead, here it comes. Okay, pick a good line. You're okay. Try to go around that big rock right in front of you. Right there, that's good. Yeah, you just have to miss it by a little bit. Go for it. Just rock it, just rock it a little bit. Okay, gas, go. There you go. Watch it, watch. Where are you going? Good, good. Good. You're okay, you're okay. Gas off, gas off, gas off. Good. Okay, go. Good job, gas off then. That's good right there. Go ahead and sit it down. Nice work. Come here, give me 5. Come here, Dirtbike Racer. What's your name? Your name's Jonah Rhodes, dude. Once you're old, you're going to beat Kurt Caselli.
Yeah.
Come here, Kurt Caselli beater. Come here. You ready for it? Okay.
Daddy, but you can't come in the white track.
Why?
Come on, Daddy, can I ride?
Yeah.